Here we are in a building that looks like an evil laboratory. Ew. Ah, they modded these. Damn it. I saw a video of these. These were originally Larsen way back when. Oh. Yeah, they totally modded these. Womp womp. I like that lantern. It's a new mod too by the looks of it. I like when they actually do something with the. I like when they actually do something with the indicator like that instead of just leaving it at the basic blue background.
Look, here's the other elevator right there. Anyway.
There's a system sensor horn strobe. Medical office building. What a very creative name.
Floor 1.
Here's where the old indicator used to be. There's the directory. Yeah, these would have been cooler when they were old Larsens, but that's all.